Section 11-1, Part 3. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, alternate interior angles are congruent. So we already know that when lines are parallel, corresponding angles are congruent. Now we know that alternate interior angles are congruent as long as lines are parallel. So here's my two parallel lines, A and B. You see the little arrows here, arrows. You see the little arrows here. They tell you that these two lines are parallel. So A is parallel to B. We know that transversal T intersects the two lines at two distinct points. Here we have angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. And since these two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are congruent. So we know that angle 4 is congruent to angle 6. Is there another pair of alternate interior angles? Yes, there is. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are alternate interior. Remember, interior is in between the two lines where I'm circling now. But angle 3 is congruent to angle 5 because they are alternate interior, and alternate interior angles are congruent as long as lines are parallel. Let's go to our next example here. Finding measures of alternate interior angles. Andy is working on a dude ranch. She is repairing fences. The rails of the fence shown are parallel. What is the measure of angle 1? So here we have the rails of the fence. These are parallel. Now here's my transversal. I'm going to draw it all the way down. There is my transversal. I can even mark that with a different color. My transversal, here it is, coming right down through here. It is intersecting the two parallel lines. This line here, A, is parallel to B. Okay? The fence shown is they are parallel. The rails of the fence shown are parallel. So we have parallel lines cut by transversal. Here's angle 40, and here's angle 1. Now, alternate interior angles are drawn from the transversal up to the parallel line. So, or from the transversal down to the parallel line. That's what forms those interior angles. So if angle 40 and angle 1 are alternate interior angle and alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are congruent as long as lines are parallel, then we know that angle 1 has to equal to 40 degrees. The measure of angle 1 is 40, because if this angle is 40 and they're alternate interior and alternate interior angles are congruent, then angle 1 is also 40. So there's your answer. The measure of angle 1 is 40 degrees.